views.
No, I will not give that. You have to believe me. I will not give that. Then you don't believe. You are free to. That's what in a democracy you are free to do
You are
what you want.
saying that you are not for the people. You are not going to do anything for the people.
That you are
We
saying
have
with your
voted for
mouth.
you.
That you are saying with your
While
mouth. Be
we
careful
have
what you
voted
speak.
for you.
Be
While we have
careful what you
voted for
speak to
you.
you. That see
Then
that.
let's have a discussion.
That
sir.
is a democracy. See, don't put word in my mouth. I will not speak a single word now. I have other things. No. Other
Not
people,
now, not
the
now.
other people also are equally important. I will not speak a single word more than what I have spoken now. More, please. लोकही बाकी इल्ला हा तिंगली कामा इधर इंजीनियर इल्ला है उसका
So you said you're going to convey
This is
our
what-
views to the center or to the.
Yeah, what I lastly I am telling you, people who are instigating you all are young minds, more idealistic. I also came from the youth movement. I have seen many movements. You are a child in front of me to say that you have seen agitation. I must have seen more than 24 agitation. Big, small, everything. I have been through it too. During Konkani struggle, I was there. During statehood agitation, I was there. Fee hike if students are getting 50% concession, I was there. To as student leader, fighting for all colleges in Goa, I was there. So I was also youth like you. I know what is a movement. I never allowed myself to be misguided by anybody. That I am telling you.
For us.
See,
So you are
have
here
come
right
to, if you
now.
have come to make a issue, you are free to do it. Listen. The way you are talking, please behave yourself in your talk also. Don't talk this language. See, there are two things I told you very clearly. On whole, I am 100% with you. 100% I am supporting. Whatever are the other sentiments, whether it is your tower line, whether it is your broad gauge, I will convey the sentiment to my higher up, not only to Chief Minister, to everybody else in there. Yes, I have given you time because you all give it that much importance. I said okay, I listen to
म्हाका
you.
फादरान फोन केलो आमची यूथ येता
Yeah, फक्त मेमोरंडम दिवन वयतले मरे लोक बाकीचे रावता बाकीचे प्रॉब्लेम
काय गो एज पंचायत आम्ही फुली सपोर्ट केला खंय हेचे ओपोज करपाक आमी फर्स्ट पंचायत रेजोल्यूशन घेवची एश न्हू आमी सरावार वो आहाय म्हण आमी गव्हर्मेंटा तुम्ही आता गव्हर्मेंटा एगेन्स्ट उलयताय आमी गव्हर्मेंटा फेवरार रावो न्हय आमी सरा देखून सांगला आमी सद्दां विलेजर बाबा आसता म्हण आतां तुमी मेमोरंडम दिवपा येयले आमकां आतां खूब इंजिनियर्स बी उयलो हाय तुमकां थोडो फादर म्हणून आमकां थोडो टायम म्हणल्यार ओके काडून दिवं सो तुम्ही एक डिस्कशन केल्यार आमकां सेपरेट आनी मिटींग करूंक पडटली तशें करून जावपा ना न्ही आनी आमकां इश्यूज आहाय डेवलपमेंटल इश्यूज आहाय सगळे इंजिनियर्स येयला डिफरंट
So oppose करता.
तुम्ही तुमचे कितें आहाय शॉर्ट आहा ते काबार कराय न्हू
youngsters. Okay, sir.
Okay, having said that.
I appreciate. Listen. I appreciate whatever you all have brought. I will convey to my higher. I will convey your sentiment as you are MLA.
What about the other two projects?
What?
Other two
Which
projects?
other two projects?
Double tracking, transmission line.
Double tracking. I have told you. It is a national project. I will
Who
convey
is it
your
going to
sentiment.
benefit?
Huh?
Who is it going to benefit?
I am going to convey your sentiment to the. See, listen. Whom is going to benefit if you don't know as a youngster? Our youngsters are going abroad. Our youngsters are leaving Goa and going Goa. There are no jobs here. How jobs will be generated when there is no economic activity? For economic activity, not coal. We need to utilize our Marmugao port for the maximum extent. Import export has to take place to the port. For that to happen, containers have to move. If containers will move on the rail track, you need broad gauging. You need to cater to the all sorts of.
What
Goa
kind of
can be the
jobs?
best trading hub where educated people, computer savvy people, they will get maximum jobs. This is how it will happen.
So when-
Internationally good airport and it will survive. Even if Mopa comes, Dabolim also will be there. So we'll have two airports because of the growing air traffic. Same way, now you are saying, if I give you assurance or anybody local, it has no this. Our Chief Minister has gone to Delhi. He has got central minister. They are going to come and make the announcement. What do you want? Exactly the assurance. Same assurance what was given about Dabolim and Mopa. Central government had given. Central ministers will come and give assurance. The concerned port minister that coal will not be handled here. Gradually will phase out. That is the assurance you are going to get, not from us, from the central minister, which our Chief Minister has already taken up. So it's not that we want to destroy the environment and that. I am very clear. If it is going to be more than 15 million tons, I will oppose, I will stop, I will join you. But simply I will not oppose for sake of opposing. Sorry. Vajpayee had given a gift of 450 crore when I was power minister. Understood, no? And it was free, एक पैसे म्हणून असताना म्हणून आज साधारण पावर भरा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कोण आहे ना electricity contract, you know it, no? That TV substation, 200 by 400?
400.
Huh?
400.
400, no?
400 by 220.
400 by 220. That is coming from Karad, no? Previously, what used to happen? The line used to be tapped. 400 kV line, 200 kV used to be tapped all along the way from Maharashtra. Maharashtra used to say, why we should not tap? It is our line going from here, like Madai, what is happening? Same thing is happening. Understood? Amge bodo tum, amge line is tum mata kar. But I fought that time, even though I was in Congress that time. It was Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He said, no, this boy has made a good presentation. Give him. R. Kumaramangalam was the Union Power Minister. He was my personal childhood friend. So he helped me. And Vajpayee said, Goa will not pay a single price. Same way, now what power is there? If you all are ready for power cuts of 4 to 5 hours, then we will cancel that line. That situation it is. We should be happy. To the national grid, we are getting cheaper power. The fully genuine thing in this is, I am really concerned, is coal. We should not make this as a coal hub because we depend on tourism. You and I want tourism to survive. We want the greenery. We want beautiful Goa. We want everything to survive, the environment to survive. I am with all of you on that. Understood, no? But these other things, like highway, it is not there only. I don't know how it has come. Double tracking when 370 kilometers of a national project already completed. 70 kilometers, hardly about 15-20 kilometers is the problem line, and they will not keep quiet. It is like from there to here, road is completely. It also it could kill our unnecessarily. I am only afraid. Loka bodcoin gaila, halan cases atole sodo pa amka transportale. Do kam bhagta. Because in January we are going to release all the vacancies of all departments. Nothing less than almost, as CMS said, 10,000 government jobs. I want to give at least 200 jobs for my constituency people, for youngsters who will become government servants. If people tomorrow have cases, police case, government job may not. Only my party. Now your other problem is expansion of national highway. This is something which will happen 10 or 15 years hence, not immediately, nothing is there. Chief Engineer is here, PWD. Why? National Highway immediately has an expansion. Huh? And which expansion they are talking of, they are putting in this linear project. Even I don't know. To my knowledge, there is no expansion of National Highway.
Right now there are no projects. What we are doing now.
This is the whole thing, which is linked to MOPA and all that. This is something simply they are putting in the memorandum. Linear project, amche papa kalpa. Okay? As youth, you all should understand it. Now, 400 kV transmission line to wildlife sanctuary. Now, initially they were big plans because to project for the next 50 or 60 years or next 100 years to get a those big tower lines. Because people's opposition is there, only 7 tower lines, 7 poles are coming in the sensitive area. You cannot take 400 kV line via wireless, where you transmit the power from one thing to another. Though nowadays devices are available for small appliances. You know that very well. As youngsters, you all are intelligent. You all know, you all go on social media. As far as this is concerned, I think that is the requirement for future. And this also is not coming up immediately. A project at Mudani resources, 15 years at least it will take.